Finally, I got my hands on FORD Iconic Smoke. This is the newest eyeshadow quad from the brand in the creme formulation. One of my favorite formulas from FORD. And as soon as I saw this color story, my jaw dropped. I couldn't wait for it to launch. And finally, I got it here on my hands. I hope it lives up to my expectations. As per usual, I'm filming in natural light, same 4K camera. So you're gonna get to see all the details of this beauty. And if you want to see even more close-ups, I will highly suggest you to come and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. As per usual, I will be leaving all the details of my makeup, my jewelry, everything that I'm wearing today will be on the description box below, along with the links for your convenience, as well on the YouTube shop that you will find here on the screen. Okay, friends, let's go for swatches. By the way, if you're wondering, it does come with a little velvet velour kind of pouch, as well as the two little applicators. But now, let's go into swatches. Let me get you closer. Look at this shade. Super soft, creamy. I mean, literally, it blurred my fingerprint. Now, wait and see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this shade. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit kind of like a gunmetal taupey tone. So wet, so stunning. Then we have another matte formula. Again, that creaminess. Look at this blue. Wow. And then the last shade. Ooh. This is more of an aubergine kind of shade. We're gonna get intense today with this color story. I mean, I see so many possibilities with this eyeshadow quad. You don't need to use all the shades to create a look. I will do so because I really want to see how each of the eyeshadows perform. Here are the swatches. Sonia G T6 brush. I'm gonna go to the lightest shade, and I'm just gonna apply it all over the eyelid. Love this brush. It's just so convenient. If you are a person of like one and done, you want to simplify your life, this brush is incredible. Sonia G T5 brush, and I'm going to the blue shade, and then I'm taking this shade and applying it on the outer third of the eyelid. Okay, this is a double dip of the eyeshadow, and look at the pigment. Now this eyeshadow, it's going on so even. Wow. For being such an intense shade, there's not even fallout. Sonia G T4 brush, and I'm going to the deepest shade. And I'm applying it on the outer V. What a gorgeous shade. And I'm taking this shade and applying it below the lower lashes. Usually this shade I like to apply with my finger. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush for right now, and then intensify with the finger so you can see both applications. I'm going with a Smith 253 brush. So beautiful. Look at that intensity. On this other side, I'm going to apply it with my finger. So intense. Sonia G flat definer, and I'm going with the deepest shade. And I'm going to take it on my lower lash line and applying it on the outer third first. And whatever is remaining on the brush, then I'm dusting it towards the front. So you see, like, this way is intense on the end and not as profound. That way, give me that intensity at the end and not too harsh on the front, because I do have a smaller eyelids too. And that helps me a lot with the shape of my eyes. Mascara, eyeliner is on. I'm gonna go with Tom Ford Mood Light. And I'm just going to take this shade and apply it on my inner corner. And whatever is remaining, I'm going to take it on my brow bone. Now I'm going with this shade from the same palette. By the way, I'm using a Sonia G Mini Chic, and this was a Refer 03 brush. The brushes also will be linked on the description box just in case. And I'm just going to use this for highlighter. For the lips, I'm going with the new Icon Baby Lip Liner by Charlotte Tilbury. And for the lipstick, also by Charlotte Tilbury, Icon Baby. If you want to see all the swatches of these new lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury, I do have it in shorts, in reels, in TikTok, and a full review also here on my YouTube channel. A lot of you have been asking me in a specific about this shade, about the little granules that it has. You will feel them upon application, but then when you go like this with your lips or throughout the day, you're not gonna feel them, and it's not like, I mean, you cannot see any shimmer, you know, or any glitter. It just adds to that like juicy kind of effect, and I love that it's a neutral pink leaning a tiny bit cool tone. And I mean, look at this. It looks incredible with this eyeshadow look, I think, or I think so myself. Okay, friends, what do you think? I mean, I love this look. It's so intense. It's so seductive. It's mysterious. That's the word. This iconic smoke eyeshadow palette will give you this mysterious look, very attractive, seductive, sultry, but in a different way. Oh, and yes, we need the fragrance of the day. I'm going to go with Vanilla Sex. This has been a love of mine. I do have a full-on review here on my YouTube channel. I love this fragrance. If you like cherry smoke, you're gonna love Vanilla Sex, and I love that it's not cloying either. So there you have it, my friends. I know a lot of you may be wondering if it looks anything alike to Metallic Denim, which is also a favorite of mine. It will give you a stunning look. Let me just swatch it and let's do a quick comparison. So you see, this is the wet and dry formula. This will give you not an ethereal look, but more of that glistening kind of effect on the eyes. Look at this. The shades are completely different tones and undertones. Okay, friends, what I think about this palette, well, the performance is spectacular. I mean, like, literally a smoky eyeshadow look simplified, but a different smoky eyeshadow look, because we're playing with a more neutral, borderline cool tone aubergine with this gorgeous kind of like a steel blue, this taupey gunmetal tone. Fantastic. The performance, these three shades, wow, creamy, smooth, blurring. It will disappear, and like even the fine lines, they will disappear in front of your eyes. Does it live up to its hype? It does. Oh my gosh, this is a mass eyeshadow palette. If you like, obviously, the color story, although you can achieve a more kind of like quote-unquote wearable smoky look with this eyeshadow quad by using this shade and this shade alone. Again, like I said before, you don't need to use all these eyeshadows to create an eyeshadow look, but I'm so pleasantly surprised, as per usual with Tom Ford. This is just so classy, uncomplicated. If you don't know how to apply makeup, I mean, honestly, they couldn't make it any easier for you. Also, the deepest eyeshadows, usually when there are very deep shades, they usually tend to have fallout because of the nature of the creme formula. And when I say creme formula, if you're new to the creme formula, I'm not talking about cream. It's just creme in terms of like how smooth it is. Going back, they have zero fallout, like zero fallout. Imagine going for that very seductive Valentine's date, a night out. Oh my gosh, with this look. They are gonna melt in front of you. Okay, my friends, this makes it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're planning to pick up Iconic Smoke, and let's continue that conversation in the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. It would be incredible if you can please come and follow me both on my Instagram and TikTok. If you like this video, if it serves you in any way, and if you want to help me to grow my channel, please give it a thumbs up. Also, share with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're going to love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.